Okay, I'm gonna make this video kind of quick, but this is a Casablanca Panama in antique brass. I saved this from a scrapper, paid him $5 for it. It was just the motor. It came with a K4S, but since I had to replace the bearing and it didn't really fit, it had to cap all the wires off. So it's just a parts fan, really. It's just put together out of new blades and all that stuff. It's just the motor, so these blades are gonna go back in the box. They're just up for the video. And these brackets came off the other Panama that I have. Only works on 2 speeds, so I guess we'll start it off. I think that's low. It's hanging on a wires, so I had to make this quick because I don't want it to fall down. I know, I'm gonna get yelled at for that, but I really don't care. That's low. I don't care about the light either, it's just for the video. Turn it up. That's next speed, which is no different. So it's just a parts fan, really. And it's dated May, I think it's the 23rd, May 23rd, 1986. And I don't remember the rest. That's about it, really. Nothing else really special. And then it stops. Now it won't work. So then I reverse it to reverse. Won't work. Then flip back. Works in low, I guess. I don't know. Medium. And that's really about it. I mean, not much else to really show about this fan. And then it just stopped out of nowhere. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just a parts fan now, really. It's 4-blade only. And that's really all I have to say. Let's give you another view of it. Looks kind of cool with the blades, though. I never really tried these on a fan. Yeah, it's medium. It's the goofy mounting system. So, yeah, that's only for the video. That's really about it. I'll just give you a little end shot of it. So that's the Casablanca Delta that I have. Hope you enjoyed.